Good afternoon. My name is Laura Valentina Escobar García. My course, Valoración y Negociación de Tecnología. Um, this is a synoptic table describing the cause and consequence related to the select obstacle faced by companies in Colombia to register its intellectual property. Cost-benefit balance unfavorable. The benefits must outweigh the cost. The balance between cost and benefit is a profound constraint rather than a qualitative characteristic. Without profitability, the permanence of the company in the medium and long term is not possible. Cost of balance unfavorable. Incorrect price calculation, bad cost rated, very cost pricer, low sale price, high production cost. Consequence of balance unfavorable. There is no growth in the organization, no profit, you work without benefits, eat money without producing. Recommendations to avoid the obstacle. The recommendation so that there is no unfavorable cost-benefit balance is to take into account the expense and the price of the product. A study must be carried out that quarantines that the cost relate or profit with it is sold. Market studies must be carried out that allow access to better price of raw materials so as not to have equilibrium because it does not allow growth of profit nor show thereby a total loss. My second recommendation for the cost-benefit balance is the word is the handle the formulas that this definition handles. Since it will allow assertive decisions to be made when starting or continuing with the proceedings that is already being considered. In this case, it is very important not to allow the situation to gain an advantage because later it will be very difficult to recover what was lost.